Contact. That is our target.
You brought up carving out 2 hours of your day. And I think that's probably where people are missing, because all the responsibilities of their day probably stack up. And at the end of the day, the last thing they want to do is make the 7 o'clock drive to the gym because they already fed the kids, and now they got to go drive to the gym and get on the bike to do their aerobic work or do their lift.
You can always just go walk around the neighborhood.
You can go walk around the neighborhood. I just think the most important concept, like you said, is those 2 hours is just chop wood and carry water every day.
So that's an interesting point. I've always had this theory that discipline, like there's like discipline waivers, right? But habits will trump discipline any day. Right. Like if your habit is that every day you go at 5 and that's who you are, then like, is it really discipline or is it just habit? Like
it's just habit.
Yeah, it's just habits.
Yeah.